Did you know that over 70% of homeowners are opting for unique and stylish bathroom sinks instead of traditional ones? That's right. The bathroom sink has become a centerpiece in modern bathroom design, and today, I'm going to show you 5 mind-blowing sinks that will totally change your perspective. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're looking to jazz up your bathroom, the sink is where it's at. It's not just about washing your hands anymore, it's about making a statement. Today, we're diving into some incredible bathroom sinks that blend functionality with jaw-dropping aesthetics. Choosing the right sink can significantly elevate your bathroom's vibe, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on these options. Presentation of problem/challenge. Struggles we face when picking a bathroom sink. First off, space constraints can be a real pain. You might have a small bathroom and feel like you're limited to basic options that just don't cut it in terms of style. Then there's the issue of mismatched styles. What if you want a modern sink but your bathroom screams vintage? And don't even get me started on the lack of innovative options out there. Many sinks seem to blend into the background rather than stand out as a design feature. So, how do we tackle these frustrations and find a sink that checks all the boxes? Exploration/development. Alright, let's dive into our list of 5 unique bathroom sinks that are sure to blow your mind. 1. The vessel sink. This is where form meets function. A vessel sink sits above the countertop, making it a true statement piece. With various materials like glass, stone, and even copper, they add a touch of elegance. Plus, their height makes them super easy to use. 2. The wall-mounted sink. If you're short on space, this is your best friend. Wall-mounted sinks save valuable floor space and come in sleek designs. They can be paired with stylish faucets to create a modern look that's both chic and practical. 3. The smart sink. Yep, you heard that right. Smart sinks come with features like touchless faucets, built-in LED lights, and even temperature control. They're perfect for the tech-savvy homeowner who wants convenience and luxury all in one. 4. The double sink. For those who share their bathroom, a double sink can be a game changer. It's not just about functionality, they can be beautifully designed to fit any style from rustic to contemporary, making mornings a whole lot easier. 5. The freestanding sink. This is the showstopper of the group. Freestanding sinks offer a unique and bold look. They can be placed anywhere in the bathroom and can come in various shapes and materials, becoming an instant focal point. Climax/key moment. But if I had to pick a standout, I'd have to go with the smart sink. Why? Because it's not just about looks, it's about enhancing your bathroom experience. Imagine being able to control the water temperature with just a tap, and having a sleek design that fits seamlessly into your decor. It's a true game changer in bathroom design, combining innovation with style. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we explored 5 incredible bathroom sinks: the elegant vessel sink, the space-saving wall-mounted sink, the sophisticated smart sink, the practical double sink, and the stunning freestanding sink. Each of these options can dramatically impact your bathroom's aesthetics and functionality. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Which sink caught your eye the most? Or do you have any crazy sink stories to share? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more home improvement tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.